You're now watching Rips.
We'll call it 90,000 on the day, ladies and gentlemen. There it is. That's exactly what we were looking for. There's that 35 tag as promised.
You're likely going to be a lot better than you were last year, as long as you take it seriously.
And Rips shows the Jack 8.
Cash is flowing to Rips.
Look at that, just getting absolute.
And it's Rips winning one of the biggest pots of the session.
Wow. $250,000 on the week, baby. Let's go. There's nothing that makes me happier than when I see you folks win. Can it hold this push lower below 80s? This would be a big break if we can hold this push. $6,000 on the day in our Lucid Pro account. This is your entry. This is your ad. This is your takeout. Boom, right there. What up, what up, what up? Happy Sunday. Is Kick working? I don't know if Kick's working or not. I see Kick chat, but I don't know if Kick is working. No clue. Wait, Kick is working? All right, so it's working for some people. Weird. Yeah, I don't get it. It's like working, but it's not. I don't know. Yeah, I see it now. It's working. All right, it's working. Whatever. For some weird working, it's working. For some weird reason, it's working for some people, not for others. I don't know. All right, that's good. What's cracking, baby? Happy Sunday. How we all doing? I had to close and reopen. Let me try that actually. Let me see. It's in beta. There we go. Now it's working. Hello. There we go. Whee! Good old kicking beta, dude. There we go. Bang. What's cracking, baby? How's everybody doing today? Tonight, this evening. Looks like a terrible, terrible GLOBEX. Like, this is like god awful. This looks terrible. This looks like untradeable. There's like nothing going on. Look at this. Feeling 100%? Oh yeah, baby. We are. Hopefully we get some movement here because this looks pretty abysmal as is. We'll have to see. Just checking out all the news is coming out right now. People are talking about what happened this weekend. Y'all see what's happening in Mexico right now? Crazy stuff. Crazy. Congratulations to USA Hockey. How many people watched that? Yeah, this week is going to be nuts. We have a lot of news. We have, I mean, every single day this week is a trading day. The biggest piece of news this week, I think we have NVIDIA earnings this week. Let me see. Yeah, NVIDIA earnings are on Wednesday. We got a lot of Fed speakers on Wednesday. We get two FICSI auctions on Wednesday. Thursday, we get jobless claims. Friday, we get PPI and Canada's GDP, which will be interesting. Woke up early to Canadian disappointment. There you go. What's up, Buckle Luck? How are you, buddy? Yeah, Mexico's going crazy with the cartel leader that got killed. Insane. Do you share your bookmap config? I do not recommend using the configuration I have on bookmap. It is probably one of the worst that you could possibly do. It's the same config that I configured probably 6 years ago. There's probably way more settings that you can find. What I recommend is that you just mess with all of your settings and to find something that you like to see. My bookmap settings are probably the worst ones in the entire world. So I would recommend doing anything other than copying mine. Yeah, NVIDIA earnings are after the bell on Wednesday, after the close. What's up, Noriega? Rips trade that GC? I haven't even looked at it. What's going on? Let's see. Oh, wow. It's way up. Well, good Lord. Damn. Took that long for somebody to clue me in that metals were moving like crazy. Damn. Let's look at the bookmap for it. It's driving, baby. What prop firms are you allowed to trade gold on? Jesus, dude. It's going crazy. Wonder if I could trade it in this. 5 MGC on Top Step. You can trade on Top Step. Interesting. Let me see if I can try this. I don't know that I can. Oh, you can. How about that? You can actually trade it in this. I'm in micros. This thing is crazy, though. Let's see if we can get anything going here. That was a nice little squeeze above 60. I love micros. They're so forgiving. Can literally do anything in the world of micros. Anything can happen. It doesn't matter. Can't believe I missed like this whole opening squeeze of this. This is insane. I don't even know. What do I have on right now? I got a lot. Earnings kicks my ass. I can't trade it. Well, don't. No shame in not trading earnings. You know what I mean? How much is gold even up? 0.5% right now? What's up there, Dakwa?
wonder what my maximum of gold is. If I can get like crazy on this thing. Just want it like up and over. It's kind of going. Close at 51.30 is a full percent. Really? Oh, I'm looking at the wrong chart then. I was looking at the wrong percentages then. Been long on gold since last Monday. Nice. Let's go, baby. That's the way to do it. Just freaking schmammer that stuff. Oh, this is the gold song too. Gold wants to go sideways for a little bit here. I'd love to see it over 65. That'd be pretty cool. It's priming for a little bit of a breakout here, feels like. I wonder if there's a order up there at 75. I wonder if it'll eventually start cracking that. Just might. Up 1.6%. That seems about right. Crazy. The moment we started looking at it is the moment it started to just go completely sideways for the last 4 minutes. It's pretty funny timing that we have on this stream from time to time. All right, I'm over it. Just takes forever. First consolidation off rip. NQ small move up. No. That's not doing a damn thing. I think gold's more interesting. At least now I know I can trade it on this prop. Do I ever sleep? Nah, sleep is boring, man. I think collectively over the last 4 nights, I have about 10 hours of sleep over the last 4 nights total. So what is that? 2.5 hours a night, just about. Not bad, not bad. Yeah, silver went too. Yeah, sleep is completely overrated. I agree. Dude, S&Ps and NASDAQ both look like hot trash right now. Complete hot trash. How long has this been consolidating? Literally since the moment we started looking at gold. The last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minutes. That was awesome. 7 minutes of consolidation after it went ballistic for 9 minutes. It's amazing. It's starting to push up above 65 there. Played in a 160 player small buy and turning it yesterday. Took 5th. Let's go, guys. Where'd you play? What city? Silver's looking to break out at 86 now, too. What's up, L Rap? How are you, buddy? What's up, Knucklebone? How you doing? Yeah, it needs to do something out of this consolidation. It might be done. I mean, volume's kind of dead, but it's, I don't know. It's there and then it's not. Silver's breaking out at 86, so I don't know. Maybe it wants to light up here. Getting a little light through that 75 area for the time being. Sorry, on the Yeet board today. Oh, L-Rap. What'd you hit, L-Rap? I met up with a bunch of Yeeters this weekend. It was fun. We're gonna be doing some crazy stuff this week in the gambling world, actually. A small 700X, really? That's not small. That ain't small at all, baby. Silver looks stronger than gold. Yeah, the indicator's only available on TradingView. I still gotta update it too. We got some updates to it. Anything worth trading right now? God, Nasdaq's gross. Silver's going. Gold's fucking boring now. I don't know. NQ is hot garbage, dude. NQ might show up something at the bottom of the hour, but yeah. What's up, Type R guy? It's good DLL for a 3K drawdown account. Well, your daily loss limit, I don't know, under $600 probably. Give yourself some chances. Trading GC on legacy funded futures. How are they? Funded futures. What's legacy funded? I've never heard. Wait, what the hell? Never heard of legacy funded futures in my life. What is that? GC is the only thing moving right now. It's not doing much. Yeah, it was until we looked at it. We have that curse from time to time in GLOBEX where there's going to be a great move, and then the moment we look at it, that just goes away. So, unfortunately, that's just the way it goes. Silver's pulling back a little bit now too. So, get all excited to trade, and I forget GLOBEX is pretty much the first 10 minutes. It's usually like GLOBEX is like the first 15 minutes and then lock it up and go to bed kind of thing. So, usually. For Sunday GLOBEX, at least. Well Charts is now available on Tradeify. I saw that, yeah. Lucid 50% off. Tradeify is 40% off. There's a lot of good deals right now. Apex is 90% off. A lot of goods right now. A lot of goods. I don't know if there's gonna be trades now. Is that kind of rolling a little bit? I don't know. Outside of that gold rip to the north side, that's pretty much. And now we're just in this broader consolidation that sucks. Like your opinion on them. Who? Opinion on who? I've never heard of legacy funded futures. If I haven't heard of a prop firm, I can never recommend them. I only recommend prop firms that I know. And that I either have traded myself or that I know for a fact people have traded and been paid from. Yeah, legacy funded futures. Never heard of them in my life. Never. I couldn't even tell you what their logo looked like for $1 billion. Yeah, I wouldn't mess with a firm that nobody's ever heard of, bro. That would be my sage advice for you. Don't mess with firms that nobody's ever heard of. I feel like that's a given, though. You know what I mean? Like that should kind of just be like common sense type thing. You know? Like, don't bother messing around with a firm that nobody's ever heard of. Gold's starting to roll. S&Ps are coming down to 69.15. This doesn't look very clean right now. Gold's still holding above 58. Should you be teaching the bookmap teachings within streams? Yes. So everyone thoughts on TopStep X thinking of switching to my funded futures? TopStep X, whenever I traded on Project X, I liked it. I traded most recently on Project X on Tradeify. That was like a few months ago. Not bad, you know? I enjoyed it. There you go. Nasdaq's starting to do something. Nasdaq's starting to roll down here. Let's see. We just had a little bit of a crack there in the S&Ps as well. This is like a triple bottom area, which sometimes there's a lot of trouble with in GLOBEX. Like, see how we're bouncing right now? Can be a little bit tricky. See, like this triple bottoming area here. Previous 4-hour low type shit. Do you prefer well charts over Tradeify? For Apex, yeah. I do. For Apex, it's good. I haven't had any issues ever since. Well, it was all operator error on day one, but yeah, ever since I really got comfortable with well charts, it's been chill. I like it. It's nice. Very nice. How'd you get so patient? Because patience equals profits, baby. The more patient you are, the more money you're going to make. So being patient is easy when you've gone through trading long enough. You know, the more patient you are, the more profits you're going to make, usually. Like somebody in YouTube chat was like, short silver. Yeah, that's not being patient. It's being retarded. Alpha Futures, any reviews? Oh, I have a funded account with Alpha Futures. So, yeah, I think they're chill. I haven't been paid out by them, but sure, they're great. A lot of people have talked about them, so. We're testing this triple bottom again. $25% off for Alpha Futures right now, I think. Wonder how many times we're going to test this previous 4-hour low. See if we push up towards 30 again. Show you the difference between patience and retarded. I'll show you a winning payout. There you go. What are your thoughts on tops of live accounts or any prop live accounts? Great. If you're live, you're probably getting the best rules for getting paid out. Most live accounts is like Tradeify's live account, you get daily payouts. TPT's live accounts, daily payouts. Like it's all really good. Should be the goal to get live, baby. Silver's starting to really cook here. I wonder if we're going to break this triple bottom. We keep kind of testing it. Silver's kind of pushing. Where would it be comfortable here? I'm going to try a little. Hello? Oh, my hotkeys aren't working. Hello? That's not good. Oh, somehow they got turned off. Anyway, I was gonna try a short there. My hotkey didn't work. At least we didn't get into an opposite position. Oh. 25,000 is being tested right now. Wonder how that got disabled. My hotkey thing got disabled. That was weird. I was just trading with hotkeys on micro gold. Weird. Yeah. Okay. All right. I give up. God. Oh, I love prop firms so much, man. Jesus Christ. Tried to press the button again and get errors. It's weird because I was literally just in these accounts trading micro gold, no issues, and then I switched over to the NASDAQ, and now it's like, ha! Sorry, bro. Can't do anything. No, I'm trying to trade NASDAQ, bro. Good old Trade of It. Dude, it's funny. Trade of It was never built for copy trading. That's the thing. Like, none of these, like, copy trading might be the dumbest shit in planet Earth. Like, to be honest, like, it's, if I'm just being real with you guys, like, copy trading is really one of the dumbest fucking things on planet Earth. I never, ever, ever will trade my copy group separately and try to trade, like, one account and keep 4 on the burners and all that bullshit. Like, I like to trade 5 accounts as one singular account, so I fucking hate copy trading and all the issues that come with it from time to time. Okay, we're short. Yay, it worked. The button worked. Hooray. The thing we've been wanting to do for the last 10 minutes worked. All right, cool. And we got filled right at the prior VWAP. We got filled at Friday's VWAP. Cool. We scalped. We probably would have made fucking $9 million more if we pressed the button when we wanted to, but there you go. When you guys do graduate to trading your own personal accounts, when you trade your own real money, if you haven't done it before, you will understand. When you get to that level, you get to that point, how nice it is when you press a button and things just sort of work and happen as they're supposed to. It's the beauty of trading in a real account with a real broker. You press the button and things just work 99.9% of the time. It's incredible. So maybe we're gonna go to Asia's high here, which is 955. We're right now trading right around Friday's VWAP. So we'll see. See what happens here. 6,900 is a level to watch as well. And the S&Ps. Anybody catch the short earlier, like fucking a year ago on this thing when it was way higher? Yeah? Arnaud, you got it? Nice. Very nice. I love to hear that. I love to hear you folks that are out there making it happen on a Sunday evening. So if we do reject underneath 79 here, we're kind of retesting that area. There's a good chance we might be failing towards 6,900 in the S&P. So we'll just have to be waiting and seeing, be a little patient. We could sacrifice our profits on that last downward scalp to kind of try to be early for it, but I don't know if it's worth it. We got a whole trading day ahead of us. I don't know if it'd be worth it. I don't know. Considering it right now. A little sideways consolidation here briefly. We're still perched above 6,900 in the S&Ps. So scaling a short at 54. Nice. Very nice. Love to see it. Gold pullback, silver pullback a little bit. Past 5 evals. There you go, Adam. Let's go, baby. I'm taking that short again here. I have room all the way back up towards 990. And if we break 6904, I want to add to the 6904 in the S&Ps. Definitely want to be aggressive. So we're in that first consolidation here. 79 halves is the level to break to the downside for the NASDAQ. Currently short. One contract. We are rolling. See if we can break through below these 70s. There we go. Adding into that. Very nice. Taking one off into the bid. Does that ever work? There we go. One off into the bid. Nice. And stop down the rest. Cool. Silver pushing up again. Question, Rips. I bought an Apex eval yesterday. I haven't received the login credentials yet. So on Sundays, it's kind of weird. It usually you should have it by now. It just depends. Sometimes they're a little bit slower to deliver and activate on Sundays, but your login credentials are in your dashboard though. Like you don't need to get any kind of email or anything. It's all in your dashboard, brother. All of it's in your dashboard. Jordan passed a new eval. Go ahead. Get on with it now. Get on with it. So, Moon Boy. Brian, we'll see you tomorrow morning, buddy. So, Rivers just joined Kick. Been watching for 3 weeks. Been a huge help in my trading. I'm 2 days away, 100 per day from a payout on Lucid. Let's go, baby. Exceed that limit by just trading slowly. Don't even pay attention to how close you are. It'll trip you up more likely than not. So just chill, relax, let it happen. How's my weekend? It was good. Not long enough. Very short. It's gone in a blink of an eye. Didn't do much relaxing. Didn't get much sleep. Hopefully tonight, get some sleep. This week, it's finally going to warm up in Las Vegas. It's been like a fucking 4-month winter. 30 degrees every fucking day. So, I'm going to be very happy when the sun comes out. Go lay out in my pool. Looking forward to it so much. Bit of a sideways consolidation here, building a bit of a profile, 85 to 65. They might want to dump it through this Asia high in a jiffy here. So, just kind of looking here. Just curious, has your affiliate thing been fixed with Lucid? What's my affiliate thing? I don't even know what that means. What is that? I'm back short here. Underneath 90. There's a couple bids that are stacked underneath here. Just seeing if we can meander down into that 75 area again. Nice little scalp here if we can get through that 75 area. There they go. Nice. What was that? 10 points? About, I guess. 20K from traded 5, 10K from Apex. So let's go. Bang. Bang, bang. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Dude, gold and silver still stuck in that range. Not even worth looking at. NASDAQ coming down to 959 quarters would be interesting. If it does break below that, holy smokes. We'll see that connection all the way down to like 912-ish. S&P's weak below 16 halves here, but still kind of hesitating above 6,900. We are trading NQ right now. That is correct. That is what's on our screens. What'd y'all get into this weekend? What'd you guys all end up doing? Long Seb says your journey with 250K Apex Cats inspired me to do the same. Let's go, baby. Here's my wealth charts currently. Haven't traded them at all. So probably wait until tomorrow. See if there's any good trades. Pretty good on them right now. $63,000 total profit. So pretty happy with that. Just trying to take it slow. Nice and slow and steady, baby. That's the goal here. You find you trade better with a thong on? You watching a dude thinking about a dude wearing a thong? Is that for real? Brother, what? Put the lotion away, my friend. It's kind of disturbing that you're throwing a beat to my stream right now. Fucking weird. Very strange. Kylan, did you redeem channel points? Let me see. You did 50K. Okay, so how do I find you, bro? How do I find you? On Instagram or Twitter? How do I find you on Instagram or Twitter? What's your username there, homie? Romo Trades Twitter. Okay. Let me get this to you. Mm-hmm. 50K Lucid Flex coming at you right meow. There you go, buddy. Bang. Bang. I'm in. Rips, I'm fighting pro in March. Pull up, bro. Pro what? Fighting pro. What are you fighting? Like TBT pro? Muay Thai, where? Here in Vegas? If it's here in Vegas, I'll pull up. All day, baby. We are rolling again. Right down to that 59 quarters area we're talking about. If it breaks below that 59 quarters, look out. Calgary, a little bit too far away from Vegas for me, brother. Tell your promoter to move the fight. Tell them to move it to T-Mobile Arena. Did anybody watch Garcia this weekend, Ryan? King Ryan throwing hands. That was a good fight, actually. That was good. That, dude, I feel like we haven't seen boxing like that in a very long time, you know what I mean? It's been a long time since boxing looked that good. Like actually fucking connecting and not just standing there dancing around doing the bullshit. Fucking boxing has fallen off and we just see too many little fucking, I don't know if I'm watching boxing or Dancing with the Stars half the time. It's fucking ridiculous. But that was a good fight. 59 quarters, big line in the sand. Still, this is an interesting area in the S&Ps. This is where we had a topping area back on the 18th of February. So it'll be interesting to see if we can. I hate how close we are to 6,900 and just hanging above it in the S&Ps. We're right at our level of 59 quarters, so, you know. Still very, very weak. We've had a very weak NASDAQ here. At least it's doing something, right? At least we've been blessed with the NASDAQ doing some, which is nice. Canelo solid fight. How long ago was the Canelo fight, though? That was like fucking 9 months ago or something, wasn't it? Wasn't Canelo a long ass time ago? Feels like it was. All right, we are below that 59 quarters area, but again, dude, it's so dicey when we're this close to 6,900. Was it that? Wait, hold on. It felt like it was way longer ago. What the hell? For real? Are you for real? It's drilling now. Fucking so close to 6,900 in the S&Ps. I just don't trust this shit. Hate when it's like this. And gold kind of launched on that. How did channel points work? Rips Mod will tell you all about it, or somebody in the community. Yeah, I just hate how close we are to 6,900 here. We're coming into it right now, 6,900 in the S&Ps. We're breaking below the previous Asia high. We are chunking lower. We're coming into 6,900 right now on the S&Ps, so this is the caution flag area. Would love to see a reclaim of 59 quarters and then a rejection. That'd be the easiest short of my life. Be the nicest short of my life, I should say. Not easiest. And 6,900, we are rejecting. Wow, there's a huge seller on the tape there. My goodness. How big a boy are you? That was 187 contracts. Good Lord. A big old boy. $6,900 is on the ticket here. Yo, fat guy, what's up, buddy? Still making your rounds around these parts, huh? Look at you. Does Ripsmont have to work a double shift every day now that you stream GLOBEX? They don't have to. I think they like money enough that they want to. Just saying. We're still auctioning underneath the 50s here. Probably see something show up here at about 15 minutes. Get a little change in liquidity. Should be interesting to see. Just drifting lower, drifting lower. Volume's still coming sell side here. I need this 6,900 to just get a move on. I can't trade this close to it. It's annoying. It's jamming me up right now. I'm just flat. Is it possible to put one min on a heat map? Like one mini? You can trade whatever you want, homie. Do we roll over this week? I don't know, maybe. Your guess is as good as mine, Mr. Gus. Hesitancy at 6,900 is because we could take that liquidity and bounce up 20 handles in the NASDAQ. And it's not worth me going for like a 5-point scalp, risking a bounce at 20 points. So I just have to see the interaction at 6,900 first. We have a lot of liquidity at like 28 quarters, 28 3/4. So see these bounces, it's just not trying to go for that much while risking that much. Just doesn't make sense. I'm gonna let it develop. See, this is what I was talking about. That's what you want to avoid. That's why you have patience. I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Be right back. All right, we back. Yeah, so if you were curious of why I wasn't shorting, it's because this is happening. We can be patient. We can just wait, man. There's no harm in being patient. The worst thing that can happen was when you're patient is that you miss trades. That's it. You miss trades, dude. That's it. You miss trades. Oh no. Life goes on. 6,900 still holding the S&Ps. Good thing is that we'll probably see a nice buff in liquidity here in about 12 minutes. Get a nice little liquidity buff here, an AOE liquidity buff. Weekend was good. Posted all about it on Instagram. Let's see here. I don't use the iceberg indicator. I just like to read them raw, you know. Just raw dog them things. By the way, where's my thing? No. I don't know why it disappears. Give me a second. I'm gonna find some. I'm not missing anything. Market's just consolidating, a little bounce consolidation here. Okay, there it is. That's not it. I don't want that. Wrong button. I just pressed the wrong button. If you weren't aware, if you did not know, there we go. If you didn't know, now you know. Lucid is 50% off. If you did not know. Talked about that last week. I would highly recommend taking advantage of that while you can. 50% off is bonkers. There's no activation fee on Lucid. There's no monthly fees on Lucid. If you're asking me like what prop firm should I start with, I mean, it ain't gonna get better deal than that. There's no monthly fee. There's no activation fee. Get one account, get two accounts. That's your easy in right there, right? No monthly fees is goated. No activation fee is goated. All the rules are very clear, extremely clear. The Lucid Flex, Lucid Black, and Lucid Pro accounts are all very nice. And by the way, they paid out faster than anybody I've ever been paid out with. And it's not just me. Everybody thinks I get special treatment. I don't. Special treatment is for everybody when you're getting paid out with Lucid. Ask AJ for 5 accounts. I'll see what I can do, man. When you go on their website, you can click each one and it'll tell you the rules like at a bird's eye view. They're very easy to understand. The fact that there's no monthly fee, it's like so goated. The fact that there's no activation fee, also goated. The fact that they pay out like literally to your bank account in under 2 minutes, completely goated. You think I'm kidding about it, but I'm not. Literally under 2 minutes. You press the request button, it pays you within 2 minutes. Now, I don't know if that's gonna work if it's like fucking 1 o'clock in the morning on a Saturday or something, but you know, during regular normal business hours, click in your bank account under 2 minutes. Is it hard to get payouts? Yes. But when you do get payouts, amen. I thought Tradeify was the fastest. I mean, I love Tradeify, right? No shade on Tradeify, but I thought Tradeify was the fastest. And then here comes Lucid, and I was like, yo, it's kind of crazy. Ripsmod can post the video if he wants to. We're pushing back up to that 79 halves. Remember, this is... Somebody asked me, like, why aren't you shorting? Why aren't you shorting? You gotta be careful. See this thing play out too many times like this. Yo, what's up there, baby? What's up? Mr. Matt Rocket Scooter, what's up, baby? If you haven't tried Lucid yet, homie, it's nasty. They're crazy, dude. Honest to God, I didn't think it was possible to get paid out that fast. I'm being real with you. Like, I had no idea. I didn't think that was an actual possibility. And what's funny is, like, I thought little part of me was like, okay, maybe they're just giving me special treatment. Nah. Ask people in my community, same thing. Like, some people have been paid out in like under 90 seconds. Like, it's comical how fast it goes. Do you think Apex will add trade? See, I don't know. They added wealth charts, and I trade on wealth charts, and I love it. Somebody told me on my wealth charts I was going too fast. 5 trading days, average of like, I don't know, $400 or $600 profit per account per day. Too fast, man. Too furious. Insane. Nice rejection, by the way, at our level. 79 halves. Did not take any of that, but picture perfect. Volume's still down. I want to wait for the top of the hour. You guys want to do channel points, gamble, and kick? You want to gamble some channel points? What do you think? God, I can't wait to sleep, dude. Back on that Rips had 2 payouts with Lucid, both under 2 minutes. See, it ain't just me, dude. I swear to God, like as I'm saying it, I feel like I'm bullshitting, you know? Because it's like, it's such an absurd claim. It's such an absurd claim. Like, oh, they paid me in under 2 minutes. It hit my bank account in under 2 minutes, and it sounds stupid when you say it. But no, it's a literal fact, dude. It's fucking unreal. All right, let's see here. What time is it going to be? 7? 7:06. Feel like I'm some kind of festival right now. All right, let's do this. I'm going to do a 1 minute prediction, okay? I never do a 1 minute prediction this late, but here's what we're going to do. Okay, go crazy. Stallone says, I've gotten it done under 30 seconds before. It's like, honestly, it's like, how? How? But I guess, you know, when you have your systems all set up like that tight, like, it's pretty cool. You know, it's dope. I'll take it, man. I'll take it. It's better than the alternative. I mean, when I first traded on a prop, it was like, I mean, again, no shade at other prop firms, but it's like, If the standard is under 2 minutes, I think that's kind of crazy. I don't think that Lucid is the standard. I think that they're the exception to the rule. Other prop firms paying out within 24 hours is perfectly fine. That makes total sense. Like if I request from my personal account, if I request money from my personal account, it's usually same day. $2 million, $2.2 million I took out was literally same day. All they did was call me just to verify. And then they're like, why are you doing that? Because they actually make money on your money. They're like, wait, why are you doing that? They do T-bills, by the way, if you didn't know. Futures firms notoriously do that. Lucid probably just has rules like we already know they're following the rules. I mean, yeah, they have systems in place that are tracking all that, of course, right? But it's nice. Did you all see Apex's new dashboard, by the way? Apex's new dashboard is really nice. I didn't even realize how close I am to getting a payout in Apex, but then I'm also nervous. I'm going to take a payout right when I can take it, but I'm just nervous because I'm going from, if I take a payout right when I can, let's just say I'm exactly at it. $6,600 will be the balance. I'll take a $3,000 payout. That's 20 accounts, $60,000. That'll bring my drawdown down to $3,300 or $3,600. I can't recall. It's either $3,300 or 30. Let's just call it $3,600, right? And for you math wizards out there, $3,600 times 20 accounts is $72,000 worth of drawdown. I'm going from a $6,500 trailing drawdown, which is, kind of a big decrease. We're going from $130,000 to $72,000, which is like close to half reduction in drawdown. But I'd rather get a $60,000 payout. At least that's what I think. I don't know. How do you guys feel about that with Apex? I don't really know. Kind of torn. I wanted the payout, dude. I haven't been paid out from Apex since 2023. I think June 2023, it said in my dashboard. The last time I got paid out from Apex was 2023. Now, given I haven't really tried to trade Apex except for this year, this is my third set of PAs. I've blown 20, and then I've blown another 20, and this is the third set of 20. So these are now 60 PAs I'm on this year. So TPT did not fix my trade rate accounts yet. You'll be the first to know, I promise you. Dashboard looks the same, bro. You have to go into, there's a setting. There's not a setting, but a menu. It's you go into accounts and then account details on Apex. Accounts and then account details. It looks completely different. Ooh, Apex sending out another email. Who are they coming after now? I'm kidding. Well, charts now on Tradeify as well, 40% off. Wait, if you want the 3K payout on each, you need the balance to be a total of 259,600 if I'm not mistaken. No. That's what I thought too, bro. That's what I thought too. No. They only need to be at 25,6600. 25,6600. I was shocked too, man. Now, don't make me doubt myself. Let me check again. Let me log in here. I got to check in. If that's the case. I mean, I kind of want that because I want more drawdown, but I mean, I'm pretty sure it's only 25,600. Mr. G to the Torres says, Lucid is a good one. Thanks. You're welcome, homie. Account details. Loading. Payout. Minimum payout balance. Where is it? 256,600. Minimum payout balance 256,600, and I can take out 3,000. I have 6 trading days, or 5 trading days. So yeah, I thought it was 259,000 too, but it's 256,000. It's crazy. I was shocked, bro. I was in the same boat as you. I thought it was 259,000 as well. You have to remember, I'm not an Apex trader. This is like the first time that I've gotten this far since 2023. You know, my last payout straight up was, show me, August 15th, 2023, baby. And I took $20,000, 10 accounts, 2,000 each. Bang. That was my last payout on Apex. Silver? I don't even have it up. Let me see. Yeah, I mean, it's been going. There's a guy in here who said short silver now. Crazy. All right, top of the hour. Here's that swing of liquidity. 52,600 is for min payout. Yeah, I have the 250K account, so it's a little bit more. If you go to the payout tab, you see if you violated any rules. I have not violated a single rule, baby. Whee! Go Ripsy. That's why I like trading on wealth charts, by the way, is because you can see the 30% MAE, so it's pretty clear, you know, if you got your hand in the cookie jar. With the 250K accounts, it's pretty hard to violate that MAE unless you're over leveraging, because it's basically $1,900 per account. Gold longs just got smoked? Oh shit, yo. What the fuck? Look at that, bro. And silver too, yo. Damn, there's that 7 p.m. rollerball. 7 p.m. roll city, baby. Do you think we could scalp this in the micros? Feels kind of dicey down here. Feels kind of dicey. It's a sick amount of liquidity being exchanged. Let's go back to NASDAQ. Keep things clean and safe. 6,900 still hasn't been tapped in the S&Ps. Why do prop firm block GC and SI? Kind of frustrating. How many money go away because of the block? Because if it's not mimicking like real trading conditions, because you need so much leverage to trade them, you can always deposit money in a brokerage account and do it yourself. You know what I mean? You can see how that goes. What I don't understand is if you only make one trade and win, you're at 100% profit. Huh? Say what? I don't get it. Your profit is your drawdown until you exceed your drawdown, homie. So your drawdown is 6,500 on a 250K account, 30% of 6,500. You feel me? 6,500 times 0.9. Or I'm sorry, not 0.9. Dude, I need sleep. I need sleep. It's 30%. I don't know why I said 0.9. It's about $1,900, right? What is it? $1,950. My brain is functioning at the level of a third grader right now, just so you know. Does the 30% drawdown rule apply to test accounts? No. Only PAs. But the test accounts, they're watching how you're trading your test account. So if you're just literally blamming off on those things and going crazy, all these prop firms are tightening down. So it's like, set a good example, you know what I mean? Like, trade well. Don't be a knucklehead. Hey, saw your video on momentum scalping. Really helpful, thanks. Let's go, baby. Is this your first time watching a live stream? Do you trade gold on these PAs? No, dude, you can't. I've only traded NASDAQ, micros. Micro NASDAQ and my Apex PAs. That's the only thing I've traded on wealth charts. Only micros, homie. 6,900, just do it already. Come on, do the thing we all want to see, man. Just get on with it. It's like impossible to trade this when it's not breaking that 6,900 in the S&Ps, man. I'm telling you. At least for my trading style, just makes it impossible. Just gambled along on gold thinking I was on an eval and rocked myself on my funded. God, I'm dumb, man. That's not your fault, bro. It's like, prop trading's hard. You got all these accounts and copiers and traders and platforms. It's not easy, man. You know the easiest thing about trading a personal account is it's the same platform every day. There's no bullshit. The only thing that you can do is trade the wrong instrument, which I've done before. I did that live on stream. I thought I was trading gold and I traded the NASDAQ and vice versa. That was it. All right, 6,900, just fucking do the thing already, man. God, so annoying. Keeps on coming so close to breaking 6,900 and then like NASDAQ's just freaking going crazy. Guess I could be not so much of a pussy. Where are we going of 6,900? Downtown, baby. We're going
From downtown!
straight fucking downtown. Well, to be honest, we're probably gonna get a little bounce there at 96 quarters or something. But like you can see, like in the NASDAQ profile, it's bouncing right here at these lows. It's been bouncing at these lows, so it's just risky. Okay, 6,900. We're finally interacting with it and going for the truffle shuffle. Okay, there's your first bounce. All right, this is why we don't get early to it. Your first bounce is 6,900. There it is. Let's see where she goes. First bounce. First bounce. First bounce. We're just holding at 6,900 right now in the S&Ps. Volume's kind of low. Looking for like one more little tickle wick up. A tickly wickle. There we go. There's a little tickle wickle. Let's see. Volume sucks right now too. The under's one, right? Pretty sure the under's one. I want to pay you guys on that. Oh wait, it's a photo finish. I'll check into that later. I'll check into it in a second. I just want to see if we can catch any of this real quick. 6,900 is kind of annoying here. Yeah, I'm looking for a bit of a pitch and catch. I'd like to see a nice little pop. All the way up to like 52 would be sick, but we'll see what we get here. I'm just trying to read it. Okay, pop. All right, back short, or in short here. I should say, not back short, in short. Bad fill, but whatever. See if we exchange back up towards like 47 at all. I don't know. There's a lot of bids down here that will break through, and it'll be like really flushy through 30s if we get this. So I'm just watching to see if there's anything we can add to. Nice little point of contention here. Watching. $890. $850 if we get through 9/12 quarters. Very low volume here, so caution flag is out. See if we interact through that sweeping 27 area. Coming for it. They're shying at 27. That's funny. My order was right at 27 quarters. They didn't take it, obviously. Let's see if we can get a little peppering down there. Volume is tremendously low too, and we are holding at 6,900. A little kind of hold at 6,900 here at S&Ps, but extremely low volume. Not idealistic. Seeing on this push up here if there's an opportunity. Yeah, I think this week will be nice. There's not a lot of huge news, but we should get a lot of breaking news that can make the markets move quite a bit. That's what I'm interested in. Okay, adding right here actually. Should have a nice connection and a sweep through 27 now. Can adjust the TP. Should get a sweep right through 27. We might take some liquidity first at 52 halves, but I doubt it. Watching here on a little flusher through 30. Should have a little bit of a sweep through 30 there. Such low volume. Still holding at 6,900. I was going to say I might be looking to cover if we're not getting the move that I want. It's because it's holding so much here at 6,900 still. We're testing at that 30 level again. Peeling one off here if we can get one bid. Trying to peel one off at the bid. We get fill here. Filled one at the bid. Be tight on my stop. Given that it's low volume, we are going sideways. There is an offer at 6,900, which I like, but it could be a bluff. They could take that so fast too. 27 halves are everything, and right now you can see how much liquidity they keep on putting up. Nobody wants to be the first one to slam that yet. Stopped out. Well, I had a very tight stop there. If it goes, it goes. I don't care. We made what, like an extra $100 or something. Who cares? Do you think it's better to focus on one account? I treat all of my, when I'm trading copy trading, I treat it like one account. A lot of sideways consolidation in GLOBEX, which is to be expected. It's like it's perfectly fine. Not a big deal. Where do you see the prop industry going within the next couple of years? More and more people coming into it. I expect Twitter to get worse with a bunch of people bitching, complaining, moaning, crying, fighting each other. I can almost guarantee that's the most likely outcome, more than anything. Am I trading a live account? No, I'm copy trading 5 prop firm accounts. We're currently up $7,000. Almost 7,500, almost. A little bit less. Wager literally closed right at the line. Let's see. I'm so good at picking those numbers, huh? 939 quarters was the opening print. The bet was 939 3/4, so the unders do win this one. Sorry, champs. Unders have been paid. What a boring ass consolidation this is. Like, I'm all for consolidation, but man, when it happens for fucking 7 minutes straight, it's just ass cheeks on a platter. Yeah, 5150Ks, that's correct. After a while, I stick to one strategy, 1.5 trades per day, and got paid $1,200 on this month. Let's fucking go. Let's go, baby. Well, we're below 6,900. I don't know. I'm kind of happy with the result of GLOBEX. Most of my trades are going to happen tomorrow during pre-market. I'll probably my first trade, I'll probably give back all 1,400 and then end up making like 2,600 on the next trade. And that's how it's been going lately. It's like almost like all my GLOBEX work is just a waste of time. That first trade, at least it gives me a little padding though, Any questions? Any trading related questions or life related questions? Anybody got any questions? I just refuse to this is just it's gonna be so much better tomorrow. If you're wondering, like, man, or actually, you know what? Probably in 90 minutes is probably gonna be a little bit spicy, but still. Damn, it went off again and I burned up my account. What are you doing, Camille? What you doing that for, baby? What you doing that for? What's your strategy for passing evals? Same as trading the trades, man. Maybe take a little bit more size because it's evaluations. I recommend that you folks out there use the evaluations to get better at your trading and trade it exactly how you're going to be trading it in the real, like, it's your warm up to the whatever, the fucking funded, the PA, whatever you call it, the PA, the XFA, the funded, all that. So, like, why wouldn't you use your evaluation time to, like, hone in on your trading skills? Why don't you use levels on your screen? Like these? What do you mean? Like the indicator that is literally my indicator, like Rip's key levels? What do you mean? I don't know. A girl I really like may have rejected me today. Any advice? Do you know if your local Rite Aid sells... Never mind. Never mind. I stop myself sometimes. Love you, pal. All right. I've had 10 hours of sleep over 4 nights. I swear to God. I'm not kidding. You want to see my whoop score? See? A little less sleep. Look at that. Not good. Not good. A little less sleep, and I might have said that. Ribs, why are you trading GLOBEX? Why not, man? Am I allowed? Can I make 7,500 with my friends? I stream 2 times a day now. I lose sleep. I could have been sleeping right now. Could have been relaxing. No, I'd rather stream for you guys. Try to teach. I feel like I'm good in poker, especially in Omaha and tourney, but haven't got paid off big. Should I continue? Yes. Poker should not be a means to making money. It should be a hobby and a fun thing to do. Poker is very hard, brother. What do you use to copy across all the... I don't copy across all the different prop firms. I think that's crazy. I don't do that. That's not my style. I never will do that. What's GLOBEX? It stands for Global Exchange. It's the current time that we're trading right now. So it starts at 6 p.m. every single evening. We do this stream Sunday through Thursday because there is no Friday GLOBEX. The markets don't open for Friday on GLOBEX. Friday, 6 p.m. There's no market. No. Jay Wilson said, I've been watching for a long time on IG. Just found you trade live. Loving the content. Thanks for being here, man. Appreciate you. How do you stop sodium sugar intake? Well, I get sodium from, I have those little packets, hydration packets. I get sodium from those. It's good to have some sodium. I think they have like pink sea salt in them. Sugar, you just, dude, if you wean yourself off sugar, I'm telling you right now, it's crazy. And I'm going to sound like I have only slept 10 hours over the course of 4 nights. But water tastes sweet. If you've weaned yourself off sugar for like a full month, water starts to taste sweet. I sound like a crazy person, but I'm not lying. When you drink water, it'll taste sweet if you haven't had any kind of sugar. Now, mind you, a lot of people were like, oh, well, I haven't had any chocolate cake, so I'm not eating sugar. There's sugar in everything that you're eating. Bread, ketchup, Coca-Cola. There's sugar in everything that you're eating. If you can cook for yourself, then you can measure like what you're putting on your food and stuff. But I'm just saying, like, you know, fruits have natural sugar in them. Now, natural sugar isn't as bad, but like if you're trying to quit sugar cold turkey, you can go like no sweeteners even. No sweeteners. You can do a whole sugar fast. There's a lot of different things you can do. Yeah, milk has sugar in it. Like there's so many, yeah. It's all difficult, right? When it comes to, wow, look at this thing going. When it comes to adjusting your diet, 27.5, shocker. When it comes to adjusting your diet and you know, trying to get in to healthier habits, you want to do something that you can be comfortable with, that you can repeat. Because if you're doing something like a crash diet, it's not repeatable and you're going to get smoked and you're going to gain all your weight back. You want to do something that's repeatable. Find foods that you like to eat. Easiest thing you can do is intermittent fasting. Eat 1 time a day, eat 2 times a day. Don't starve yourself. But intermittent fasting is very good for your body. Good for cell regeneration, good for avoiding cancers. There's tons of research on it. A lot of people, you know, I get DMs from people who have been, you know, changing their habits and everything. This might be good for something now that we are kind of rolling over here. We're not pushing up into anything at all, and we are coming back to our next level of, what I say, 912 and 3/4. 912 and 3/4 is that level to watch. Now, if we get through that level, yeah, I'm going to take that short. We're getting right to that 912 and 3/4 level. You can see right there, first spot of like bidders is at 912 and 3/4 there. 890 is the level to watch to the downside. We are through 96 quarters. If we do break below, it will be 86 evens in the S&Ps. 86 evens. Getting out right before that 100 lot. So 1,600 per account now. There we go. Extra 200 per account before we sign off. Any other questions, trading related questions? We just front ran the 100 lot. That's all. It's no big deal. Any other questions before I go? Happy to go over anything. Anything that you have for questions. Look at that. Ripsy reversal. What? Your thoughts on 25K accounts on Lucid? Get them. 50% off. Code RIPS, baby. There's a lot of good deals right now. Props are very competitive. It's very good that props are competitive because we get the best deals as traders, right? 90% off in Apex, 50% off on Lucid, 40% off TPT. Well, yeah, 40% off TPT, 40% off Tradeify. It's crazy, dude. It's actually crazy how good the deals are right now. It's so nice that these prop firms are super competitive. Did the overs win? I already paid out the bets. Did anybody take the Ripsy reversal? I know somebody had to, right? Any news on how to handle loss in poker? You're playing way too big, man. If you're getting affected by losses where you're actually talking about it in a streaming chat or in a trading chat, like, dude, it's like don't be. You're way above you're way beyond your means if you're upset about your losses in poker. You need to slow down. Poker should be a fun thing to do. Pass another top step combo. Right, let's go, Joe. Let's go. Jeff, how come you're not trading on any of the other props? What about the other props? All prop lives matter, baby. Get on there. Let me see. Tradeify. I'm pretty sure it was 40% off. Yeah. Yeah, 40% off 150K select accounts right now. Yeah, this here. Let me show you guys this. This is the other sale. Look at that. 30% off all accounts, 40% off 150K select accounts. It ends on the 28th of February, so 6 days. You got time. Dude, I love how competitive it is in the prop firm space for prop firms because we get the best deal, right? We all get the best deal. What's the difference between copy trading the way you're able to maximize your leverage for all your accounts? I trade Tradeify accounts at once. I trade TPT accounts at once. I trade alpha futures, alpha funded, whatever the fuck they're called. Those accounts at once. Trade my Apex accounts at once. I don't combine them all in one big thing and trade them. That's crazy. So I just focus on one prop firm at a time, but I treat all of my accounts so like 5 TPT accounts I'm treating it like one TPT account. That's it. With a lot of leverage. That's all. You've been trading for 12 years, but what year to become profitable? 3 years in, brother. 3 years. 3 años. Poker game changes live, tighten up, and struggle. There you go. Smack those 50s through the previous day mid, locked out. Nice, Cold Fusion. Let's go, baby. How long is Apex 90% deal? I believe you got 2 more days. Let me just double check. Because I want to get you the right answer for that. That's a good question. I'm pretty sure. It is. Yeah, 2 more days. 2 more days. So lock in. Right? Lock in. I want to get a payout so bad with Apex. I'm trying so hard on these accounts. I'm trying so hard, man. What year did you start trading? 12 years ago. 2014. 40% off is Lightning accounts on Trading. That's what it is. 40% off Lightning accounts. Do I have that on there? That's what it was. 40% off Lightning accounts. There we go. Okay, I fixed it. Total payouts on Apex, 20K, bro. 20K in Apex payouts. And the last payout I got was in 2023, but I have, I trade. This is like the first time that I've actually tried to really trade them this year. Last year, I traded a live account. All last year, I made millions. What'd you do before trading? Build brands and sold them. When COVID hit, did you get excited for all the possible earnings? How was trading? Dude, trading during COVID was the best trading in the world. It's the best time ever. It's the free money tree every day. This thing is now coming down towards 86. 86 evens in the S&Ps. So things could be happening. Took a lot of time looking at Apex over the weekend. I understand they started notifying people as soon as they break a rule. However, I'm concerned that they may have restrictions that are subjective, such as changing your trading style, making it, as long as you're consistent, man. They put all that shit because they just don't want people gaming the system. I talked to my rep, and we had this conversation like 2 weeks ago before I started trading on my wealth charts, because I wanted to make sure I was doing everything right. Because as you saw, naughty, some other people breaking some rules, lying to you, not good. So, you know, talk to my rep, and it's just like, dude, take it slow, be consistent, don't fuck around, trade how you would like a real money account, and you're good. There's so much fear, uncertainty, and doubt that's pushed out about Apex, and it's like by people who are like full porting in every fucking trade. What do you mean? Trade it like you would trade your own real money. If you're not ready for it, trade on another prop firm, man. You know, there's plenty of prop firms out there. You know, like what I've been doing is aiming for $200 to $800 per account per day. We're hitting an average of about $600 per day, right? Was it 63 divided by 5 divided by 20 accounts? Yeah, 630 bucks is our daily average right now. 630 bucks is our daily average right now. They didn't pay me. I have 11 accounts each for 56,000. They're not paying you. Well, what's the reason? What's the reason? Did you violate the MAE rule? Did you over leverage? Did you hedge? Did you, what is it? They said I used over 5 contracts. Did you? You know what I'd be happy to do? If you want to get on a Discord call, we can share your Apex dashboard live, and we can go through to your rules violation page, and I can point out every single thing that you broke in your rules. And if there isn't any of those, I'll pay you 50x whatever Apex owes you. Want to do that? Deal? I'll take the bet. Well, you're probably getting paid out by them. Don't some firms not allow fast trades like under 10 seconds? I don't know. I mean, some of them, if they have it in the rules, it's up to you as the trader to review all of the rules before you trade on a prop. You know what I mean? Yes, I break the rules. They said I did more than 5 contracts. I was doing 8. Well, there you go. Mystery solved. See, here's my issue though, brother. Here's my issue, right? Okay, let's just be friends here. It's not an attack on you, but it's like this. The thing that you said, this is your sentence. They didn't pay me. I have 11 accounts, each for 56,000, and they are not paying me. Do you know how you actually say that sentence? I broke the rules and I'm not getting paid because I broke the rules. I hope next time I can follow the rules so I get paid. That's how that sentence comes out of a responsible person's mouth. Right? See what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? That's how I'd say that. What's up, P-Dubs? What's up, big dog? You get any sleep this weekend? I got 2.5 hours of sleep last night. And then I got, let's see, the night before. 3 hours and 48 minutes the night before. Very tired. You get any sleep this weekend, buddy? I'm fucking exhausted. I'm probably gonna go to bed at like 5 p.m. tonight, man. 30 minutes from now. No, probably like 6:30. Get a nice little hot tub. How's the dinner on Friday? I went to dinner on Friday and Saturday. I am fucking destroyed, man. I am very much destroyed right now. What's your advice? What should I do so I can go get paid? I would reach out to support and tell them that, I mean, dude, do you still have your accounts? If you have your accounts, then I would just trade what the rules are, man. Just trade your rules, bro. Is everyone's screen black? Open your eyes. If you close your eyes, everything, the whole world turns black. You got to open your eyes. Use your peepers. Hold on. My screens are black now too. What do I do? Open your eyes. I'm doing that now. No more than 2 contracts. Yeah. I love that, man. I'm happy that you're coming around to it. If you had a short from the top, where would you see strong support for declines? Well, I mean, we were talking about on the way down, 959 quarters, 912 3/4. All the way to the downside here, it's going to be a tough road to get there. But if we have like some negative news, I'd say 850 evens. That would be interesting. 850 evens, baby. How do you manage to go out with your wife if you sleep at 7 p.m.? Well, I did not go to sleep at 7 p.m. We actually went out. We left the house at like fucking 9 p.m. last night. Got home at fucking like 2 o'clock in the morning. Horrible. I did not sleep at 7 p.m. tonight, dog. Last night. I was at dinner at fucking 10 p.m. We were at Carbone last night at like goddamn midnight. Night before that, where did we go? Oh, dude, we did double shift. We did Don's Prime and then we did Komodo. Did a little shopping at Chrome Hearts, little Chromeo Santos. Love that place. Got myself a little treat. Fucking loopy right now. I need to watch how this guy manages his trades. That's where I'm struggling. There's a great video. You know what's cool? Dude, the YouTube channel you're on right now, my editing team, my content team, we're hiring more people right now, but my content team has been putting in some serious work, like serious work. So what I would recommend is go on the channel. Let me see. There's a couple long form content, like this one right here. This one right here. That's a long one. That's like an hour-long video. Is that right? That's the hour-long one, right? That's an hour-long video. I go through my trade management on that. The video that got posted today that talks about my trade management. A lot of my long-form content, I go over it. Also, when I'm live, you can see my position live right here, and I talk about what I'm looking for. I'm short here. I'm looking for this level. I'm adding here. I'm covering here, etc. So, but yeah, if you guys do like the content, it does help out the YouTube. Dude, actually, are we at 50,000 subs? Bro, we were at like 34,000 subs like 2 weeks ago. What are we at right now? Bro, we are at 49,878 subs. If you're not subbed to the channel, make sure you sub right now. If you're watching on Kick, do me a favor, just go sub. We're 122 subs away from 50,000, so hopefully when I wake up, we'll have 50,000 subs. I'll do a giveaway tomorrow if we're at 50,000 subs on YouTube. Appreciate it very much for you folks that do that. I think in previous week mid gets hit before midnight. What are your thoughts? I mean, there's a lot of things that can happen before then. That is 86 points, but GLOBEX, it seems like a lot. Maybe some negative news. Conversely, you got to remember if there's positive news that comes out, that can change things as well. So What's your Insta? Rips Trades. Instagram.com/Rips Trades. Rips Trades. Davey Trades. It's no longer selling rips. It's Rips Trades. Rips Trades. Dude, you're the GOAT. You actually give about strangers trying to put in the work and make money on the hardest on the planet. Amen. Thank you, JG. All right. For real now. I'm literally fading. I want to give you guys a good show tomorrow, so I want to make sure I get some good sleep. But I love you guys. I really do appreciate you guys for tuning in tonight for the Sunday GLOBEX stream. It means a lot to me. We'll be back. So I go live. The schedule this week is going to be 8 a.m. Eastern time every single morning, 7 a.m. Central, 5 a.m. Pacific. That's when the main show goes live. That show is about 5 hours long, okay? So even if you show up late, we're streamed for about 5 hours. You can find it kick.com/sellingrips, youtube.com/market clubhouse. Watch on either platform. Then the GLOBEX show starts at 6 p.m. Eastern. We run that from Sunday through Thursday. So tap in both shows. If you're on one part of the world where you can only catch one of the shows, great. Show up, put in the hours, do some learning, hang out with people in our community, meet a trading buddy in our chat. Everything always is going to be free. I don't charge for anything. It's always free. And that's my scoop. That's my story. Rips indicator is being updated this week. The Rips key levels, and then Rip Scalper Pro is going to finally get the update that I've been waiting for, that we'll be able to push it to a release. So I'm hoping this week. I just need some damn sleep. Rips, where can I apply for the content channel? My highest TikTok video has 8.5 million views. Shoot me a DM, and I'll put you in touch with the appropriate people who are making those decisions. All right, everybody. I hope y'all have a great night. Be good. Take care. Love y'all. I'll see you folks tomorrow bright and early, 8 o'clock Eastern time. Be good. See you. See you. Bye.